Hi there, this is Bill again. We're just continuing on with the BilroCAD tutorials. Drawing a platform with some stairs. We're now going to go to a plan view and mirror that one there, about the midpoint of there. So we've got two there, and the distance is from here to here. You've got to look more carefully at this, 3500. So around about, we want two more in there. So how do you space something that's, you could just go CAL, C-A-L, 5500 divided by 3, 1833. So copy that one there, 1830, 1830, and copy that one there, 1830. That's that side done. And when you're mirroring something like that over onto there, you can do that. It's actually not that hard. Go mirror, and pick that point, turn your ortho off, of course, and pick that point there and that point there. And that's fine. And then we'll mirror him, turn the ortho back on, and that from there to there, around about 2 meters, that'd probably be alright. And we'll just mirror MI for mirror. Notice I'm using keyboard commands here. Doesn't really matter which you use, as long as you're happy. Whoops, undo. Redo. No, nothing to redo, so you can't do that. Lost the plot there for a minute. There. And I didn't hit enter, that was the problem with that one. Again. There's probably a better way of doing this, but well, actually there is. It's called a Lisp routine. That's looking fine. That's round there. That's round there. MI, this one. So that'll probably need one in the midpoint. So C over copy, that one there, the dot Y of midpoint of there, and these two here, and that one there. We'll probably move him, the dot X of there, and then move them along another 250. So we're going to have the stairs are going to be so that they come down nicely there. So we'll need copy this one here along a little bit, and he's going to be the one at the bottom of the stairs. See if we can pick him up in the front view there. Looks like him there. So if I move him, such that the corner of him is on the dot, you can have double point filters, dot XY of here. In other words, we're just interested in the X and the Y, but not the Z. So that should be plastered firmly on the end of that there, but it's not, because it's still in the same plane of that one there. That's okay, because these stairs now can be moved such that this outer piece here of the plate is the dot Y of that one there. So now stairs are in the right place, and what we'll need to do is we're going to get rid of this little bit of stair here. We're just putting a line up here temporarily. We'll explode that stair, that piece of block. So remove that piece out of it. We're still left with the angle at the bottom. And we want a polyline to run along here up to there. Now you can move L for last. Hit enter, and you're going up 1,000 millimeters. Your standards may differ from this. So now we've got a nice little round on there, but is it in the right plane? Let's just check. We'll trim off TR for trim, that and that. So they should be shown as joint, but they're not. That's fine. Remove that one, because it was obviously picking way back up the front there. So that should have been on there. And that there will join into that there. So now we can go fillet, radius 200 is fine. And it's going up and over. Now that's the thing, you see. That polyline is in one plane, and this one here is in another plane. There are two planes that are at right angles to another. So we need to move that back a little bit to say there. Draw in an ordinary common garden line and fillet that line and that line there. And it does it, that's fine. And fillet that line and that line there. And what do we make? Move from there down to there, 400. So that now is going to be a nuisance because it's got this bit extra on it now, and it's turned itself into a bit of a polyline. So I just do a line from here to there and move the last thing you drew down 400 and extend that one there to there, and same deal as before with the this bit here. We'll just drag that back a little bit to there, put a new little bit of line on there, fillet that little bit down there. These lines are not particularly fussy. See, that's all still bits and pieces in there. So we need to mirror all of that. So we need to see how UCS is like that. We'll flatten that out down to world UCS, MI for mirror. This one here, that one there, that one there, that one there, that one there. About. See how that's picking up on there? It's still a midpoint. And we've got ortho on, so we're fine. And enter. Forget to do that, enter. Now this might be a bit of a problem here because that's going to come round there onto there. So that's not going to apply. And that one there, if we explode that, now we've got only the little bits to worry about. And again, a bit of a line on here, and a bit of a line on here. And if we're lucky, it might fillet it. Yes. But it might not. See, it's saying, no, 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 you can't do that. Lines are non-coplanar. And try the top one, and you'll probably get the same answer. non-coplanar. Okay, well, we'll see how much out of whack all that is by looking up here. And we'll stretch that line way down here, and we'll extend that line there, like that, and we'll trim off one there and that one there. So it's making a right angle joint, and it'll show it that it's out a tiny fraction of an amount, which is really irritating because it's only not much, it's 15 mils. I think, given that if you're looking from the side, there is the thickness of pipe, so we could go down by 15 mils. So we're move all of this. There, dot y of, might have chosen too many things now. I think it's, oh no, it's that one there. Explode that one. Because that one's going to have to, that one's gone AWOL, that one's gone AWOL. And we should find that those now match in nicely. So we can just fillet them. They should fillet now. Creating a nice little thing there. Now that one's, I deleted the line of that one. And I didn't delete that one. So fillet that one and that one and that one. No. That is not going to do it because why? Because why is because I don't know why. If the fillet, there it is. So that one there should have gone back to somewhere in there. There. So there we have our nicely radiused thing there, like that. If you were a fussy person, you'd put another stanchion in there. That's still a line. So I could do copy this one here. Take that as the base point there, and say we wanted one around about here. There. And we wanted one around about there. So we look at it from the side and see how it looks. That doesn't look too bad, just roughly doing it. Extend that one, EX, for extend that one and that one. That's now looking not too bad. And you just need to mirror those over. Ah, see down there I've got my UCS shown on. MI, that one, that one, that one, that one, that midpoint off there. There's job done. Okay, we should be good to put extrusions on those in a few minutes, and see you on the next one.